Hello everyone, I'm Martin from Property Partners, and today I'm very excited to show you a unit for rental at Sentosa Cove in Cape Royale, 1,722 square feet, 3-bedder. Let's go! Imagine living in a luxury unit with your own private lift and your own private foyer with an amazing sea view. A private foyer with a good enough space for you to put your shoes and also to wear your shoes. As you enter the living and dining area, you are greeted by a very strong sea breeze because we are just right next to the sea and enjoy a very large living and dining area of 5 by 7 meters. In this unit rental, the landlord has graciously left behind all the high-end luxurious furniture for you to use at no additional cost. And you have over at the living room, you have a nice 4-seater L-shaped sofa as well as an 85-inch TV for you and your family to enjoy Netflix and movie nights. If you love to host dinners for your friends and family, this dining space is perfect for you. There is currently a 6-seater dining table over here with chairs provided for you. Preparing food for your guests, this kitchen is the perfect place because it's fully equipped. You have your fridge, you have an inbuilt oven and lots of counter space for you to prepare your food, and even a gas hob for you to do heavy cooking with a wok hay, and you have a window for ventilation as well, and there's even a wine fridge for you to store your wine to serve your guests. And lastly, when all your guests is done, you even have a dishwasher to help you to clean out all the dishes. We have a very nice yard area for you to put your washer and dryer as well as an additional WC. There are a total of 3 bedrooms in this unit, and let's take a look at the master first. Welcome to the master bedroom. We have full height cabinet done up by the developer. As you come in, you can see that the space is good enough for a queen size bed with 2 side tables, or you can even fit a king size bed. You look at the renovation, the owner has also done up nicely with lots of very luxurious finishing, and also a built-in study table here for you to do your work. The master bedroom also has a full height glass door which leads seamlessly to the balcony, and check out this sea view. This is the master ensuite, and you can see it is very luxuriously designed and quality finishing everywhere. And the best thing is you get a separate bathtub and a showering area. This is the common bathroom, same luxurious design and quality finishing, and more importantly, you have windows for ventilation. Welcome to the first common room. You can see the size is good enough for a queen size bed and 2 side table, or if you want, you can fit a king size bed. A full height cabinet has also been done up, and also you have a very nice bay window here where you can sit down here and enjoy the views of Sentosa Cove. Welcome to the second common bedroom. Here, similarly, you can see the size is good enough for a queen size bed with 2 side table or a king size bed. Full height cabinet has been done up as well, and you have a nice bay window similar to the other room, as well as a table done up for your study. Welcome to the huge and spacious balcony where you can host your friends or even sit here for a cup of tea or drink, and at the same time enjoy this magnificent sea view and enjoy this sea breeze. Enjoy a multitude of facilities in this development. You have swimming pool, children's wading pool, jacuzzi pool, a gym, and even a yoga deck. Nestled on the tranquil eastern tip of the Sentosa Island, Cape Royale offers you convenience because you are just a few minutes walk away to Quayside where you have lots of seafront dining options, and you can enjoy the sea breeze and at the same time the sight of luxury yachts. At Cape Royale, you are not just renting a home, you're embracing a lifestyle unlike any other in Singapore. So if you have a keen in this unit, contact me, Martin from Property Partners at 9127-8681 for exclusive viewing today.